89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Music coming from the band Ziyakol. It's called Pexman from 1996. Somebody asked for that song. Requested song, 10:52 on the dot. And it's time for me to give you today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment. But before that, of course, I want to tell you that this segment is brought to you by Greenwich SM City Olongapo Central. There's also one at SM City Downtown at the ground floor. So check it out. And here's their New Year treat for you, Kabarkada. Visit the www.greenwichdelivery.com, the official delivery website of Greenwich. And use this promo code, free LSGNADM. Alright? Parang it spells like lasagna. Pero hindi. Dahil kulang. Pero yun yung code. Free LSGNADM. Okay? To get free. Well, you guessed it right. Free Lasagna Supreme Solo for every minimum single receipt purchase of 400 pesos. Promo runs December 26 up until January 31, 2022. Okay? So you have until the end of the month of January for this year to avail of this promo. Visit the official Facebook page to get the free code. Okay? And also the other offers that they have for you. Visit Greenwich SM City Olongapo Central on Facebook. Might as well hit like, okay? And of course, the official website, the official delivery hotlines, 0961-0101-771 or the usual landline hotline number, # first 55555. Pwede ring umorder via the Messenger app. Okay? Simply get online and order now. And check out, go and grab hold of your free lasagna. Avail of the free Lasagna Supreme offer. New Year special treat for you, Kabarkadas. Get online and visit their official Facebook page. On with today's holidays and observances. January 5, 2022. It's birthday today. Ayan, yung mga mahihilig sa Ibon. Araw ng mga Ibon ngayon. Birthday. Well, there are bird enthusiasts. Do you guys know that? Why birds matter? A lot of things, a lot of reasons. They help pollinate, they help in the ecosystem balance, at marami pang iba. Almost all animals naman helps in the ecosystem balance. May purpose bawat animal kung bakit nandiyan sila. Okay? All right? So birthday today, mga bird enthusiasts. I know somebody who is a bird enthusiast. Ang galing mag-breed nga ng ng mga alagaing ibon. Si Kuya Ronald De Los Santos. Ayan, okay? He has his aviary sa mga gustong mag-avail ng mga bird. Itong mga bird na binibenta niya, hindi ito yung hinuhuli sa wilderness, ha? Binibreed niya yan. Pinapaitlog niya. Si Kuya Ronald magaling magpaitlog. Ay! Doesn't sound right, but yeah, that's what he does. Oh. And makikita nyo rin siya sa Wing Squad. Laging nandoon yan sa Wing Squad. Nasa Wing Squad ka na rin lang, kumakain ka, baka interested ka, di ba? Mahilig ka sa Ibon. Today is birthday. Ayan, okay? So, next up we have Keto Day. The Keto Diet. That's today. Ito yata yung araw na ano to na ano ba? Invento ba tawag doon? Discovery or I don't know. But today is National Keto Day. Or International Keto Day, that is. January 5. Okay? Sa mga nagki-keto diet, it's your day. Hey! And Monopoly Game Day. Mga mahilig sa Monopoly. Ayan. As a kid, I grew up playing this, you know? Okay? So, this marks the day that it was invented. How it was invented? It is a collaboration of friends in Brentwood, Maryland community by Elizabeth Maggie, the creator of the Landlord's Game, originally called Landlord's Game. Di ba parang ganun talaga yun, di ba? Landlord's Game. Bibili ka ng lupa, you will put up house, and then as you pass yung go, collect 200. And a whole lot more. You know how it is, okay? So, Monopoly Game Day today, January 5. Something that's yummy for you guys, Whipped Cream Day. Yung araw din ng invention or paggawa ng Whipped Cream Day is January 5. All right? So there you have it. Just a few of our holidays and observances. January 5 holidays and observances for you. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, January 5 birthday celebrants, this one's for you. birthday to you. Happy birthday kay Ate Kyla. Filipino R&B singer, songwriter, recording artist, producer, and sometimes actress din and presenter on TV. Napaka-talented, si Ate Kyla, celebrating her birthday today. Ano bang song niya na sumikat? Ang dami. Okay? Sige, I'm gonna put one for you. Alright? She is tagged the Queen of R&B in Philippine music. Okay? Filipina actress Joyce Ching is also one of today's birthday celebrants. Born January 5, 1995. Okay? Si Kyla naman, 1981, by the way. Alright? Next up, we have another actress, Lexi Fernandez. January 5, 1995. Also host, singer, and dancer. Alright? She is the daughter of actress, yes, you guess it right, Maritoni Fernandez. Okay? Hindi si Rudy, Magkamag-anak yata yun. And Filipino singer Mito Yonting. Napakagaling na singer ng mamang to. Was born January 5, 1970. Alright? Mito Yonting turns how many today? 51? Am I right? 51. Okay. Or 52. 2022 na nga pala. Next up, we have Filipino boxer Jenibert Basadre. Okay? He competed in the lightweight 60 kilogram division in the 2006 Asian Games, winning the bronze medal in a lost bout against China's Hu King. Hu King. All right. So, Jenibert Basadre, atletang Pilipino, was born January 5, 1984. All right. Para sa akin, yung mga atletang Pilipino natin, lalo na yung mga boxer, mga bayani yan eh. Alam mo naman yung laro ng boxing, di ba? Basagan ng mukha, suntukan. So, para lang maitayo ang bandila ng Pilipinas, handang makipagbasagan. Kaya for me, heroes tong mga boxer na to. And we got a lot of young, talented, and very promising Filipino boxers nowadays. Sadly, not often they're in the news. Pero kung titingnan mo, kung checkin po ninyo, marami tayong hindi gaanong nakikilala dito pero tumatayo, gumagawa ng pangalan in international competitions. You can watch them on YouTube. Makikita nyo po sila sa YouTube. Buti pa yung mga content creator ng YouTube na nagbibigay ng exposure sa kanila. Nagugulat nga ako eh. Meron palang isang Pilipino na champion sa isang division na hindi ko alam, hindi ko nabalitaan. It's not in the news. Di ba? They are very deserving of being in the news, syempre. Okay? So again, Jenibert Basadre was born January 5, 1984. Bradley Cooper is also one of today's birthday celebrants. Movie actor Bradley Cooper turns 47 today. Rock singer Marilyn Manson turns 53 today. January 5, 1969. TV actress January Jones. She was in the Mad Men. She played the role of Betty Draper. And also in the movie X-Men First Class. She played the role of Emma Frost. Yes, you guessed it right. Emma Frost. Yung may frosting capability. X-Men nga eh. January 5, 1978, Miss January Jones. Okay, next up we have DJ Deadmau5. The S is spelled with a 5. So some say DJ Deadmau5. Was born January 5, 1981. Okay? I guess that makes it that made him put 5 as S because he was born January 5. I think. He turns 41 today. Next up, Diane Keaton, who is the sister of Michael Keaton and also a movie actress, turns, how many today? Turns 76 today. January 5, 1946. Lastly, movie actor Clancy Brown turns 63 today. He was Brian Hadley in the Shawshank Redemption. Tongue twister yung movie niya, no? Shawshank Redemption. And he played the role of Kurgan in Highlander and Zim in Starship Troopers. All right? Turned 63 today. January 5, 1959. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. January 5 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501 for birthday shoutouts. You may also call me up on that cell phone number. Pwede rin. And landline number 252-8905. So right about now, it's gonna be my turn. I'm gonna greet my friends, Facebook friends of mine who are celebrating the birthdays today. Pati na rin relatives, if there's any. Okay? Ito yung mga binulong sa akin ni paring Mark Zuckerberg. DJ Jumiji, batiin. Ewan ko ba't ganun siya magsalita. Pero yeah, batiin ko raw, sige. One of my classmates back in high school, Miss Caroline Saulo Lee, is one of today's birthday celebrants. Ayan. Sister Caroline, kamusta na? Happy birthday sa'yo. Okay? So, have a pleasant birthday. One of my neighbors, si Kuya Renz Esposo. Kuya Renz, happy birthday. He is one of the our trusty handyman. magaling sa all around handyman nga okay, all right, kahit ano kayang gawin, pati spaceship. Pati si Kuya Jason Gabina. Sir Jason, kamusta na? Happy birthday to you. Have a pleasant birthday. Is there gonna be food coming our way here at the station? But yeah, nonetheless, happy birthday to you. With or without the food coming at the station, happy birthday pa rin. And another good friend of mine, we go way back, high school barkadas back then. Birth anniversary for her because she passed away a couple of years ago. And we miss you dearly. Si Ate Sheila Marie Singh Palma, celebrating her birthday in heaven. Okay, happy birthday, Ate Sheila. Of course, we miss you so much. Ang iyong mga dear friends, the besties, pati na rin lalong-lalo na syempre, the Palma family of yours. With Kuya David on lead vocals. On lead vocals talaga, Ayan. So, we miss you and happy birthday, Ate Sheila. All right. Happy birthday to you nonetheless. And next up we have also happy birthday to idol to, si Kuya Jay Sanggalang of the SB May Dynamic Movers. Ayan, napaka talentadong mama. Talentado talaga. Ang galing sumayaw And balita ko kumakanta rin to di ba? Kuya Jay Sanggalang, happy birthday ha. Kahit ano basta chicken joy. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Jay. And everybody celebrating the birthdays today. My friends, my relatives, high school batchmates, and all. Sa inyong lahat na nagbe-birthday ngayon, happy birthday sa inyo. Okay? So, you know what's gonna be next? I'll play a song coming from one of today's birthday celebrants. Here's Kyla with her song, Bakit Wala Ka Pa? Here on 895 Subic Bay Radio. This is The Morning Brew.